Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and today I am in Muchisa, Kolkata. It is just near Kolkata, and this is hub of nurseries. Hundreds of nurseries you can see, and just to see what is going on there. So I have visited 2 to 3 nurseries today. I'll show you some glimpses of this nursery, what is going on there. This is some of the plants are transplanting in 5-inch or 6-inch pot. Just see how they are doing their work. Nice to see, excellent. And later on part I will show you how the air layering is also done in different plants. Air layering, cutting, grafting, and this is the watering of the plants directly from the pipes. You can see all the cuttings are grown, and then hundreds and thousands of plants are grown here. And this is the maceration of soil. This is, they are making it fine ground the soil, so they making it in finer particles. This you can see in a tiller machine they are using to ground the soil in finer particles. Just see different activities in different nurseries. There are more than 200 nurseries are near there. And now I show you some of this Java apple or water apple. They are doing some these kinds of this air layering, removing the bark portion and scratching a little bit portion, and after scratching it they will put some of this soil mix and some compost mix and wrap it with some plastic and tie a knot here with some string. Just see the whole process they are doing. This is all live. I am watching here. And in this water apple or rose apple, this is a tree around 6 or 7 feet tall, and you will see around 1000 to 2000 of air layering in a single tree. And every year they are cloning it to around more than 2000 plants from a single tree. So you can see this is the industry of propagation of plants. You can see this is in each stem you can see at least 5 to 6 air layering is done, so you can get 5 to 6 plants from each stem. You see this is the all, and in 1 month they will be developed roots and they will be cutting off. And here are some of the shades. In upper side is silpholene and lower side is green shade, and thousands of plants, indoor plants, outdoor plants, every plants are there. This is aglaonema or some Chinese evergreen, lipstick plant, and different types of crassula you can see here. And huge stock in every nursery. You can get millions of plants, and in each variety you can get at least 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 1 lakh of plants in every variety. Here some workers are doing, they are transplanting the plant from 2-inch plastic bag. They have grown cuttings and then transplanting it in a grow bag, 4-inch grow bag. They are transplanting it, and the soil they have prepared some ordinary garden soil, and then they have mixed some bone meal, horn meal, some of this mustard cake powder, and here these kinds of soil mix is there. So they are transplanting in this. You have to prepare at least 2 months earlier for transplanting these kinds of cuttings. So they prepare and they propagate hundreds and hundreds of plants, millions of plants they transplant and propagate each year. This is some glimpses of the nurseries here. And this is the plant where all the ready plants are dumped here, stocked here, because this is closer to the main highway where the trucks are loaded. But all the nurseries are located in remote places. The roads are not so wide, around 3 feet to 4 feet wide, so they have to bring this plant here the main roadside where the all trucks will be loaded here. And thousands of plants and hundreds of trucks are loaded every day here. And you can see, if you want, you can get some pots here, some ceramic pots, some earthen pots, plastic pots, every kind of plots and every kind of gardening materials you can buy here, and they can be transported to the total India and whole India or abroad also. They supply lots of plants and fruit plants, flowering plants, every kind of gardening materials, gardening need they supply here from. and you will enjoy the things here. If you visit here, you will see the hundreds and hundreds of nurseries here, and that too 4 to 5 biggest lanes and views. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have to like the video, please give it a like. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for